Hey creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara, if you didn't already know, and you're tuned into Create with Kara. Anyway, so today, I'm going to explain a little bit. So I have a couple videos that were supposed to go out last month. However, they didn't go out that month. I think they were supposed to go out 2 months ago, to be honest, but whatever. So this to you is DIY part 1. But to me, it's DIY part 2. This is going to go out before the first DIY video, so my hair is going to seem more pink in that video than this video. Yes. So I saw this picture on Pinterest. So I wanted to recreate it for my bedroom, and my mother was saying, why not just get a whole new mirror and do it around the border of the new mirror instead of doing it on the current mirror I have, because she wants to give that one back to my brothers, because technically I stole it, but technically it was mine first. So we have our mirror. You just saw your head. And I have an assortment of flowers. So I'm gonna go over the flowers. We have these white and we have pink cherry blossoms. Those are pretty. We have pink peachy dahlias. We have yellow roses. I did get 2 packs of these. 2 packs of yellow roses. Lord knows I love me some roses. I mean, some yellow. But roses as well. We have 2 packs of white-ish tan cream roses. We have a singular pack of pink peonies, like a blush pink peony. I think that's the only pack of peonies. No, yes, I don't know. We'll see. We have a darker pink. What's this called? Ranunculus. 2 packs of darker pink asters. And then we also have hot glue. So what I'm going to do is lay these flowers out on this mirror how I want them to go. First I'm going to take the stickers and everything off the mirror because, yeah, it makes sense. But then we're going to lay the flowers out to see how I want them to go. Yeah. So right now I'm going to be popping the heads off these flowers. I'm not going to pop them off here because, no. But we are going to pop these off. These came from Dollar Tree. I got 12 of them. No, I didn't. I got 11 stems of flowers for $11 and whatever the tax is on $11. So we have the flowers. I feel like I should separate them. Should I separate them by color? Palette scheme.
If that's what you feel.
I don't feel it anymore. So I think what I'm gonna do with these is like have them, that didn't sound right coming out of my mouth. have them each a few stems, like but yeah, in order to do that, I need to cut things, and I don't have scissors on right now. There should be scissors in here, so cut them.
You can bend them back and forth until they break.
So much work. So we'll break.
Oh my gosh, that was so hard.
We'll do it later. Anyway. I think I have enough right now. Okay, so. That's cute. So I'm gonna start with this corner over here. And what I'm gonna do kind of is like mirror that corner. Yeah, mirror. So I'm gonna have maybe, just maybe. That's good. There needs to be a light one here. Cherry blossom needs to come from here. Hey, I have extra flowers. I can put them on the thing. So I took these, put those on the outside, outskirts. Very quick. So now I have them laid out. I do have to spread those out a little bit or whatever. But I have them laid out and I'm about to hot glue them. So I'm gonna plug the hot glue gun up and then you'll see the process of me hot gluing them. And then that will be the mirror. This is actually really, like you can see, I did things. We have this and then I have these leftover flowers. So I can either fix this because Lord knows I need to. Or I can make this. So I look a mess right now. We're gonna ignore that. But a whole video clip got deleted. And I'm not about to look through my Google Photos to try to find it. That's too much work right now and I don't have time for it. So pretty much what happened was my glue gun was a mini glue gun. So the glue sticks I had didn't fit in it, and I don't know where you find mini glue gun sticks. Never seen that in my life, but okay. The next clip is the next day, and you'll see where I went from there. Ouch. So, yeah. So it's the next day, and I just now am getting the glue that I need to do this. So I'm gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna play some music in my room because my room is right there, so like I'll be able to hear it or whatever. Because if I turn my TV up loud enough, my TV is against this wall. So yeah. Okay, so we're having difficulties with this stupid glue. So I'm gonna call my mother and we're gonna figure this out together, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to, it's gonna take me hours to get this done the way it's set up right now. So I'm back with my mama. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back. And I have the hot glue gun. We're about to plug it up. It is literally hours later. But I'm about to plug the hot glue gun up and then we're about to start gluing. But we're gonna all survive. So let's vibe.
Cute puppy cameo. Rebel.
She's calling.
Hi, baby.
So the hot glue gun is heating hours later.
You put that in gold ones for your room.
Now you say something. So we're gluing now. I'll put this one right here. So the rose flower goes here, right here. So I'm gonna bend this, and I feel like I'm gonna apply glue to the flower. Will this be smart? Probably not, because my skin is free. I'm gonna hold that there for a minute. Some flowers. So on the white side we have yellow like yellow rose. I'm gonna hold that. So I will be back once I finish all these flowers. So we finished the mirror. She's cute. I like it a lot. So this will be going on my ouch. This will be going on my door once I finish everything. Yeah, not finished, fully finished, but once I start putting stuff together. But yeah, I got Jim Bob, the cactus. And I'm satisfied with life. Anyway, that was all for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So become a creator today. I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye. Watch this answer.
Why?
Why what?
Why is this one and the other one too?
Because this one's not gonna be that long to edit.
Oh.
And I need a video for Friday.
About Mama Finch.
So,
Yes.
it's not about you.
My pretty pillows. Can you take that passive aggressive sign off your door?
What do you passive aggressive about it? We were talking about it. And I told you twice, and you literally did nothing.
What do you want me to do?
Help me. It's okay though.
There's nothing in here.
There's an angle. It's my shoulder. Or my knee, one of those. My knee. Yeah, it's my knee.
I'm gonna get you focused, ma'am.
You should probably not pop those off. You should just leave those in.
I was about to say that.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.